Ever walk into your own room and for a moment it feels oddly unfamiliar even though nothing's changed? That strange feeling is a clue to how your brain works. Our brains aren't cameras, they're storytellers, constantly rewriting our experiences. Each time you remember a place, you rebuild it from scratch, and tiny details can shift. Your mood, the weather, even what you're thinking about, all color how you see a familiar space. That's why your favorite park can feel joyful one day and lonely the next. The park hasn't changed, but your brain's interpretation has. Memories aren't just facts. They're mixed with emotions and senses, and that recipe changes all the time. So when a familiar room feels new or strange, it's not a glitch. It's your brain actively updating your experience, keeping your memories alive and flexible. This constant remixing helps you make sense of your world, day by day. Your brain is doing exactly what it's supposed to, making your life story richer and more dynamic. So next time your room feels different, remember, it's your amazing brain at work. Consider it. Deep inside your brain is the hippocampus, your memory's GPS. It helps you remember where things are, like your bike or your friend's house. Inside, special place cells fire only when you're in a specific spot, creating a mental map of your world. Each room or location has its own unique pattern of place cell activity. When you think about a place, your brain replays that pattern, bringing the memory to life. Scientists once thought these maps never changed, as if your brain stored a permanent photo of each place. But is that really true? Could your brain's map of your room be changing, even if the room stays the same? That's the question researchers started to ask, and the answer surprised everyone. Scientists at Northwestern University watched mice explore the same space day after day. They discovered the brain's map isn't fixed, it slowly changes over time, a process called representational drift. On day one set of neurons fires. Weeks later, a different set takes over, but the memory remains. It's like an orchestra playing the same song, but with new musicians swapping in over time. The melody, the memory, stays recognizable, but the players change. This subtle shuffle means your brain is always updating how it remembers places. That's why a familiar room can suddenly feel a bit different. Your brain is using a new set of cells to recall it. The memory is the same tune, but the orchestra is always evolving. This drift is slow and gentle, not a sudden rewrite. Your memories are alive, always in motion. That's the magic of your brain. Why does your brain let memories drift? It's not a flaw, it's a brilliant feature. This gentle shuffle helps your brain tell similar memories apart and keeps them organized. Memory drift acts like a timestamp, letting you distinguish between yesterday's coffee shop visit and last week's. It also helps you tell apart places that look almost identical, like two friends' similar apartments. By updating the neural code, your brain prevents memories from blending together. This keeps your mental library neat and flexible, so memory drift isn't a sign of forgetting. It's a sign of a healthy, adaptable brain. It gives your experiences context and richness. Every moment, even in the same place, can feel unique. It's a feature, not a bug. Imagine Sarah visiting her childhood home after 20 years. The house looks the same, but inside something feels different. Her old bedroom with its familiar wallpaper and floor seems smaller, the light a bit off. The facts haven't changed, but the feeling has. Her brain's map has drifted over time. The neurons that once coded her childhood memories have been replaced by new ones, reconstructing the memory with a slightly different texture. The result, the room is both familiar and strange, a blend of old and new. This is memory drift in action. Our memories aren't static photos, they're living paintings, always being touched up. So when you revisit a place from your past and it feels different, that's your brain's creativity at work. It's not a failure, it's a beautiful sign of your mind's constant growth. Explore your own mental maps. Notice what's changed. The science of you is pretty amazing. Consider it.